Okay guys, so I know we've done a little bit of work with verbs. We're going to get a little more detailed in it. Today's video is just going to be a review of what you should already hopefully know. And then the next video will be a little more in detail, and we're going to get a little more into verbs. So let's just start out with a reminder of what a verb is. A verb expresses action done by or to the subject, or it expresses the subject's state of being. Verbs have the following 5 properties: voice, tense, person, number, and mode. Notice that there are stars beside voice and mode. These are ones that we're not really going to get into. These are a lot more detailed and intensive than the other ones, so our main focus is going to be on tense, person, and number. Okay, let's start with simple tenses. Hopefully you're all really familiar with simple tenses. Here's an example in past, present, and future tense. Past tense, he wrote the letter. It's already happened. Present tense, he writes the letter. It's currently happening. Future tense, he will write the letter. Keep in mind that with future tense you have will there. Okay, perfect tenses. Past perfect, he had written the letter when I saw him. Present perfect, he has written the letter. Future perfect, he will have written the letter by Thursday. So past, present, future, we just went over what those simple tenses are. When you add perfect in, perfect is referring to a specific time. So when we have past perfect, he had written the letter when I saw him. Future perfect, he will have written the letter by Thursday. So you have that very specific detail after those past perfect verbs. Don't worry too much about those today. Just make sure you have those definitions written down, and those will be gone over in detail in the next video as well. Okay, so person and number. I have a little chart here. Singular and plural refer to number, and then first, second, and third person obviously refer to person. At the bottom, I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it might be a little cut off here. Sorry about that. Maybe I can scroll. There we go. Okay. Singular is one and plural is 2 or more. These examples are all in present tense. So you have first person singular, I love. First person plural, we love. Second person is the same for singular and plural. They are both you love. Third person singular, he loves. Third person plural, they love. Okay. So this is another chart for person and number. These are all in past tense. Keep in mind that past tense will usually have that ed ending. So we're using the same example, just transferring it into past tense. So first person singular, I loved. First person plural, we loved. Second person singular, you loved. It's the same for plural. Second person plural, you loved. Third person singular, he loved. Third person plural, they loved. Okay, this last chart is the last person and number slide. These are all in future tense. And the first person might sound a little weird because we don't really say shall anymore. It's not something you might use every day. But first person singular, I shall love. First person plural, we shall love. Second person singular, you will love. Same thing for second person plural, you will love. Third person singular, he will love. Third person plural, they will love. Once again, these are all in future tense. So the first person and number chart we did was in present tense. The second one was in past tense. These are all in future tense. Notice the differences highlighted in bold. Please take your time, go through this again if you need to. Like I said, this is pretty basic stuff. Make stars by anything you have questions about. Write down any questions you may have, and we will go over them in class.